Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Wealthfront, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Wealthfront, visit the official website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting up a secure password. Next, provide some basic personal information such as your name and date of birth. Wealthfront will ask about your financial goals. Determine whether your focus is on long-term growth, short-term savings, or a mix of both. Once your goals are set, you'll be prompted to answer questions about your risk tolerance. Your responses will help well. After completing the questionnaire, review your recommended investment strategy. This strategy will include a diversified mix of assets. Decide how much money you want to invest initially. You can link your bank account for easy fund transfers. Wealthfront requires a minimum investment to start managing your assets. Once your funds are deposited, Wealthfront will begin investing automatically on your behalf. You can monitor your portfolio's performance through the Wealthfront dashboard. Regularly check the dashboard to stay informed about your investments. Consider setting up automatic deposits to grow your investment consistently over time. Utilize Wealthfront's financial planning tools to gain insights into your future. Adjust your investment strategy as necessary based on your financial situation. Wealthfront also offers tax loss harvesting, which can help maximize your returns. Be aware of any fees associated with Wealthfront's services. Stay engaged with updates and market trends that may affect your investments. Review your financial goals periodically to ensure they align with your current situation. As you become more comfortable, consider exploring additional features like home planning or college savings. Wealthfront is designed for easy scaling, so take advantage of its automation features. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your investments with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.